is not a blade, this is the stick. Because if this is the blade, I cannot lock like this. Okay? So this is the stick. So what I do, I step side, okay, always step side, okay? Lock, okay? Support, not here, because if it's strong, okay, so at least report, okay? Not do like this, okay? Some I saw like that, but in our system we do like that, okay? And then hold the stick, okay? And then twist, see, look at my hand. And then twist. Okay? One from here, I do it from here. Okay? Strong. So, no, in this way, see, observe. Okay? See that? In reality, you have to weigh so that you can do that. Okay. Number 2. Okay. Number 2. See, from here. Okay. Now you cannot do it like this because you're close. Okay. You have to do it. See that? See. So this one, see, I push and I pull and push. See that?
Push and pull.
Yeah, push and pull. Okay. From here. Yeah. Number 2. Okay. Hold. Okay. Other stick. Insert. See, I can splash. But let me put that. Okay. From here. Okay. Open hand. Center lock. Okay. Okay. From here. Okay. Hold the stick. Good thing. Flip. Little white. Okay. Okay, one more time. Okay. From here. 1, 2. Put it here or again. Okay. And from here. Punyo. But again. Stop. Smash. Boom. Okay. In this position, you have to smash from here. Hold. Punyo.